So I'm Michael Warburton. I'm the BAFTA YGD Mentor Award winner 2016. I'm also Head of Games Development at Cambridge Regional College, and I run the world's only FE Games commercial company with my students and release their games onto many platforms and take them to E3. We've been taking the BAFTA YGD teaching resources, which kind of goes through the design process, where to start with an idea and developing that idea. We've been doing that over the last 2 days, and specifically just now we've finished one with many different schools and colleges, getting them into the design and helping them forward with the ideas. We've got a game idea generator, which is a card game basically. So it's a game to make games.
Are we happy with goal?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're happy with environment?
Yeah.
And action?
Yes, definitely.
Rules, are we happy with? Can't do the same thing twice.
So we've been starting them with that, exploring their ideas, looking into progression charts for difficulty of their levels, and then obviously getting into some of the artwork to support their ideas. So it's been fantastic, really enthusiastic work coming out of all the kids.
Every level there's more and more zombies, so it gets harder and harder.
They've loved it. Lots and lots of thank yous, and I want to be a designer now. And so yeah, it's lovely just to be able to give them that opportunity of letting them know that you can do it, you can study this, you can work on it, and here's some stuff you can use at home with your family, with your teachers, and yeah, get into designing games and yeah, make a career out of it.
Came up with an idea when you get these crystals from like stores, like they're plastic ones, and you put it on this pad and you get to design your own character.
Our game was basically some sort of zombie apocalypse where we had to survive 5 islands full of zombies, and we got new cars, new weapons, currency, and there was loads of different types of zombies.
Now we're making our own controllers.
My name is William Wilson from Laboratory Media Education. We have been making games controllers out of Makey-Makeys and crocodile clips, foil, cardboard, and hooking them up to these pie tops and letting young people explore about circuitry, coding and gaming all in one go. The kids seem to enjoy it. They've been having good fun. They didn't want to leave. They want to take all these home, but they can't.
So basically our controller that we just made, this button is a space bar, this is the clicking button, and that's how you move right. And it's all powered just through this one because it's powered by my skin basically.
Yeah, it's been really fun. It's quite a new experience and I've learned lots of new things.